Welcome back to AB Car Reviews. Today, we're stepping way back in time to take a look at a true American classic, the 1940 Lincoln Continental. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of art, a symbol of elegance, and one of the most iconic vehicles of the pre-war era. If you're a fan of vintage luxury, this is one review you'll want to stick around for. Let's start with the exterior. The 1940 Lincoln Continental is stunning from every angle. Designed by Edsel Ford and stylist Bob Gregory, it has a long, low profile with beautifully flowing lines and a restrained use of chrome. The front end features a split waterfall grille and large round headlamps, giving it a stately but graceful look. The rear-mounted spare tire, often called the Continental Kit, became such a signature feature that it actually gave the car its name. The hand-built nature of this car shows in every detail, from the long hood to the gently sloping rear. It's a car that demands attention without shouting for it. Now stepping inside, the interior of the 1940 Continental reflects the luxury of its time. It's simple by today's standards, but absolutely elegant. You'll find rich leather upholstery, large dials, and a dashboard that looks like it belongs on a classic yacht. Everything is analog, of course, but beautifully designed and built to last. There's a real sense of craftsmanship here. This car was aimed at the elite, and it shows. Even the steering wheel has a classic Art Deco vibe, with thin spokes and chrome accents. There's plenty of space for both front and rear passengers, especially considering the era. This was Lincoln's answer to European luxury, and they nailed it. Under the hood, the 1940 Lincoln Continental originally came with a 4.8-liter V12 engine that produced around 120 horsepower. That might not sound like much today, but back then, it was plenty for smooth cruising. The car was never about speed, it was about presence and poise. The ride quality was plush thanks to the long wheelbase and soft suspension. It's not a performance car, but for its time, it offered a refined driving experience that was quiet, comfortable, and very upscale. The V12 has a unique character, torquey, smooth, and full of charm. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, it gives you that satisfying vintage driving feel that enthusiasts love. As for prices, the 1940 Lincoln Continental was not cheap when it launched. It was targeted at wealthy buyers and cost over $2,800 at the time, roughly equivalent to over $60,000 today when adjusted for inflation. Today, the price for a well-maintained or fully restored model can range anywhere from $40,000 to over $100,000 depending on condition, originality, and provenance. These cars are considered collector items and are often found in museums or high-end private collections. So, there you have it, the 1940 Lincoln Continental, a timeless piece of American design and engineering. If you enjoyed this classic car review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching AB Car Reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.